This is how you properly install a glass screen protector on a Nintendo Switch 2. You're going to need to start with a few things. First, you're going to need to start with this little sticky piece right here, which is what you use to remove dust off your screen. You're going to need a screen wipe, and you're going to need a screen cleaner, as well as obviously the screen protector itself. So let's go ahead and start first with our Whoosh screen cleaner. And before you do anything though, you're going to want to remove your Joy-Cons. So remove those right away, and you don't need to use those for the installation process. So we'll put those aside. And then I use this Whoosh screen cleaner right here. It's properly made for your screen to clean it. So definitely use this. Don't use any other thing like water or anything like that. This is specifically for cleaning screens. So we're going to give it a few splashes right here. Don't worry, it's not going to damage anything like that. Then you're going to use your little cloth right here and wipe your screen down. Okay, perfect. Once you're done wiping your screen, you want to grab your little sticker piece right here, and this is included in your glass screen protector, and you're gonna just kind of bend this just like that, and you're gonna use this sticky part to get rid of any little dust particles that have been left on your screen. And then just put this aside, but keep it kind of handy. And then we do have the glass screen protector itself. I'll link this down below if you want to pick this exact one up. And we're gonna first just remove on the bottom base the sticky part right here. So remove this. You're gonna wanna do this part pretty quickly. Make sure your glass screen protector stays down. Then you wanna use these handles right here, and you wanna just flip it just like this. And then this will align right down on your screen. But first, do another couple bits of these just to get and see if there's any little bits of dust on there. And then you do want to align this up and just push it down from all four corners and then the sides, and then down on the middle, you want to press across. There we go. So press and align across, and then the screen protector is going to expand and go right onto your screen. You want to leave it there for probably a couple, maybe 10 seconds or so, and let it just kind of expand. And then you can slowly start to remove this part right off right here. So we're going to just remove this piece right here. There we go. So I've left that, removed that piece right there. And then you can peel off this part right here. And then you notice there might still be a little bits of pieces of bubbles. That's okay, because you can just push these bubbles right out. As long as you've cleaned your screen properly, there's no dust specks underneath, you're good to go. And then we can see it's perfectly aligned. So it's beautifully aligned on there. And then you're pretty much almost done. You just clean off your screen again, just like that. And then you're set. You can put your Joy-Cons back on and you are good to go. And this will work perfectly fine. You're not gonna have to worry about it not being able to touch the screen or anything like that, but you are perfectly aligned and no bubbles and you're good to go.